Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're talking about another common code. This code is a P0089 Volvo fuel pressure regulator. This is a simple code, so let's find the solution in this video. The first, what is the meaning of the P0089? The P0089 is a diagnosis trouble code for a fault found with a fuel pressure regulator. The fuel pressure regulator how much fuel is delivered to the fuel injector. The ECU control the fuel pressure regulator, and when a fault is detected, the P0089 code is set. This code will remain until the problem is resolved. The cases of this code: the first case is the failed fuel pressure regulator, the second is the collision fuel filter or screen, third is the restricted fuel lines, the last cases is the fuel pump output not meeting specification. Symptoms of this code: the first symptom is the check engine light illuminated on the dashes, the second is a vehicle may run poorly, the third is a lane or ridge condition, and the last thing is a poor acceleration of lack of power. So let's diagnose this code. A qualified mechanic will begin by hooking up an advanced level skin tool to find any codes stored in the ECM. Any codes present will have its own freeze frame date that tells the mechanic under what chromatics since the DTC was set, like RPM, vehicle speed, coolant, temperature, etc. code will then be cleared and the vehicle will be taken on a road test. Upon the code returning, a visual inspection will be performed looking for any damage or leaks from the fuel lines, damaged fuel pressure regulator or restricted line. If the visual inspection is passed, fuel pressure will be checked at the test port. The fuel pump output will be checked using skin tool as well as the fuel pressure regulator to check for proper operation. Okay, so that's it. This is the video, so hopefully you like it. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more OBD code video. Also visit my website carsfault.com for more helpful articles. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye and hope you enjoy it.